All right, so in this example, we are going to look at our previous balance method. So we're going to use our previous balance method here. Right? As we're going through and as we're thinking about these problems, paying attention to keywords, paying attention to what formulas we're being told to use, all of those kind of indicators as we're reading the problems, you definitely want to pay attention to. Right? So we see the word previous balance in here a couple of different places, so we're pretty clear that that is what we are going to want to use. All right, so on September 5th, the billing date, Verna had a balance due of $567.20 on her credit card. The transactions during the following month were on September 8th, a payment of $275. On September 21st, a charge for an airline ticket of $330. On September 27th, a hotel bill charge of $190.80. And October 2nd, a charge of clothing for $84.75. Determine the finance charge on October 5th using the previous balance method. Assume the interest rate is 1.1% per month. Right? So what we're going to do is we're actually just going to use our simple interest formula here. So we're going to go back to section 10.2 and we're going to use our simple interest formula, I equals P times R times T. Right, now P, our principal. Remember that we're dealing with our previous balance, so we're looking at the original balance here. Right, so we have $567.20. Right, our interest rate, 0.011. Right, we're told that the interest rate is 1.1% per month, and our T is going to be 1 month. Notice that unlike a lot of these problems where we've been doing everything where they are all in years, notice that these guys here match. Both our interest rate and our time are in months. Right? So in months, so time matches. Right? We don't have to divide or change anything to a year. We can just leave everything in months here. All right, so let's plug everything into our formula here. I equals P. Well, P is 567.20 times R, 0.011 times 1 month. Our interest is $6.24. So that is our finance charge. In this case, right, this interest is our finance charge. Okay. Right, now for part B, we're asked to determine the new balance on October 5th. So we're going to take our previous balance. Notice we have a formula that kind of works through everything here. Add our interest, subtract any payments made, and add any new charges. Okay. So our new balance. All right, our previous balance was at $567.20 plus our interest, $624, minus any payments. Well, payment was made on September 8th for $275, plus any new charges. So plus $330, plus $190.80, plus $84.75. Right, and we can just plug these all into our calculator, just start typing them in. If for whatever reason there's more than one payment made, make sure we include any payments that are made. And this is going to give us $903.99. So after interest, the payment that was made, and the new charges, the new balance going into the next month using, again, the previous balance method, right, is $903.99.